Having a hard time to create complex sheet metal designs? Or redraw solid models in a sheet metal model by measuring every single dimension? Stay tuned. This video will explain you the most easiest and fastest way to do this. Here's a complex sheet metal model, as it has multiple different angles coming together at one spot. You will have a really hard time to manage the dimensions by using simple features like base flange or edge flange. Let's see how we can solve this. We will start by creating the boundary of the sheet metal part by creating a solid model. As in most cases, we start with a sketch. This gives us the most control in dimensioning. The Boss Extrude feature makes it a solid model, and by applying a few more features, we have our solid boundary representing the geometry of the sheet metal product we like to have. Now the real work starts. Let's go over to the Sheet Metal tab. To transfer our solid model in a sheet metal model, we choose the feature, Convert to Sheet Metal. The Property Manager on the left-hand side, now showing all parameters of this feature. First, we need to select our fixed face, or in other words, our base flange. The 3D model shows us the preview in yellow. In this case, we change the plate thickness and the bend radius to 3 millimeters. Next, click on the Bend Edges selection box. Now, we are going to select all desired edges to create the necessary bends. While clicking on the edges, the preview updates and showing us an indication of the end result. I really like the preview, and to create the sheet metal model, we click on the green check mark. We just created a highly complex sheet metal model with almost no effort. However, zooming in on the design, I'm not satisfied with the big gaps between each bend. It would be difficult to weld these bend together, for instance. Let's solve this by editing the Convert to Sheet Metal feature. In the Property Manager, scroll down to the corner defaults. In the first input box, we change the gap size to 0.5 millimeters and apply this by hitting the green check mark once again. This looks way better. We have now discovered a super easy way to create complex sheet metal models with almost no effort. I would really appreciate if you could share in the comments how you applied this feature and learn for each other. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can learn a lot more about SolidWorks and becoming experts. Thanks for watching.